Welcome folks, we've done it again. We've purchased an old property up in the Highlands of Scotland. This time we've purchased this old barn that you see behind me. But before I show you inside it, I'm going to show you our garden. So this is the back of our garden. As you can see, there's a lot of work. We're going to have to clear out all this overgrowth that you can see behind me. Meet our neighbors. As you can see, it's completely overgrown. A lot of work to be done here. So this is now the side of the house. So just bear in mind that it's now autumn and the plants are no longer flowering, but at least you'll get a sense of the size of the garden. So this is now another wild bit of the garden that's unkept. So we're now coming to the front lawn, and attached to this barn is this little cottage. So before I show you the inside of the cottage, I'm going to have a quick snoop around inside the barn. And so this is the inside of the barn as it is at the moment. The plan is to knock down all these interior wooden walls, make it one big open plan living quarters. This wall will need to come down. So this is going to be the kitchen. Once we knock that wall down, that will go into the dining room. And then going through to the lounge on that side. And above all of this will be the bedrooms. So hopefully there'll be a bedroom on that side and an ensuite. And another one on that side. And we're going to put a big hole in the middle of this floor to have an open space just above the dining room. So we've been at our new property now for a couple of hours. We did a very quick cleanup. I'm going to give you a quick tour of inside the little cottage. Now I must warn you now, this is a work in progress. I reckon it's going to take at least 3 years before it's finished. Now this conservatory will have to go because it just doesn't fit the character of this house. Okay, so this is the lounge. It's temporarily going to be a bedroom. This is going to be the dining room. That's the view out to the front. Now, as I've said, there's going to be a lot of work. I'm going to point out just a couple of the things we need to do. The entire roof and the lounge, dining room, bedrooms, all have to come out. They are rotten. We're going to have to lift all the floorboards in every single room and replace them.
Always making videos.
This was the dining room. It's now going to end up being a bedroom. Once again, the entire ceiling is going to have to come out of this room. Alright, so onwards to bedroom number 1. So the roof, the walls, and the floor have to come out. This wall is going to get knocked down and it's going to become an ensuite. Once again, the walls and the floor have to come out, including the roof. This is the shower room, complete and utter mess. There has to be a new bathroom, new shower. Separate toilet.
I have made them before, so.
Right, we're now going to head for bedroom number 2. And it's going to have a large ensuite and walk-in cupboards, which will face out to the front of the property. Sorry, this was actually bedroom 3. The dining room is going to become the second bedroom. So now we go up the stairs. Bedroom number 4. to the other end for bedroom number 5. This is very unfortunate. This door is going to have to go. Right, this is a secondary kitchen, come dining room. And then yeah, there's going to be another bathroom and ensuite. And through here is the main kitchen. It's going to have to be completely gutted. And eventually this will become the pantry. So this leads out the back door into this little courtyard. Now this oil tank is going to have to get moved. It's in a really bad place. So what do you guys think? Do you think I'm completely crazy? This is a massive project. Most probably will take about 3 years. Now what's interesting about this little cottage is that it was actually designed by Thomas Telford. Now if you Google him, you'll find that he did a lot of engineering and architectural work all over the UK. He's famous for many canals and bridges. So this was a very quick tour through our new property. I'll be doing room by room in the future and show you how we renovate it.